In high-voltage applications, unexpected power surges and fluctuating voltage can lead to costly failures. Engineers need a compact, reliable solution that ensures consistent protection without compromising efficiency or space constraints. Introducing the Nano2 415 SMD series fuse, designed to provide superior circuit protection with an industry-leading 1500 amperes interrupting rate at 277 volts in a space-saving surface mount design. Take a closer look at how the 415 SMD fuse delivers superior protection and efficiency in high-voltage applications. Unmatched protection. The 1500 amperes interrupting rate at 277 volts safeguards circuits from high fault currents. Voltage buffering. Ideal for 250 volt applications, handling unpredictable fluctuations with ease. Higher surge withstand capability. Compared to competitive solutions, it provides better pulse and surge durability. Compact SMD design. Perfect for space-constrained applications while allowing full automated assembly for faster production and lower manufacturing costs. Engineered for versatility, the Nano2 415 SMD fuse is ideal for consumer electronics like power adapters and chargers, industrial applications, including inverters and converters, EV charging stations and home chargers, appliances such as washers, dryers, and refrigerators, smart home automation, from lighting to automated garage doors. Delivering high-performance protection in a compact form, the Nano2 415 SMD fuse is the smart choice for modern circuit designs. Ready to upgrade your protection? For datasheet samples and more information on the Nano 415 series fuses, visit Littelfuse.com.